Good morning, everybody. My name is Bethany and I'm a product advisor here at London Honda, and I am so excited to show you guys our 2023 Audi A3 Comfort. Audi's spry driving demeanor and sporty handling makes for an extremely fun yet safe drive. With its fuel-efficient powertrain, it also includes a mild hybrid system. High-tech interior with standard digital displays and premium materials, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, my name is Bethany, so please do come see me here at your London Honda, and I'll show you this amazing vehicle.